The brain is like a rubber band. You can stretch it as much as possible with all kinds of knowledge and creative ideas, and you'll be surprised what you can achieve. From that concept, at Janeson, we dived into the creative industry because we understand the power of the brain. Creativity starts small, develops with nurturing, and strengthens with study. We offer world-class training that is designed to give our students knowledge, skills, and techniques that will lead to employment and self-employment. We spark our students' imagination through courses like event planning, digital marketing, film and video production, voiceovers, makeup, audio production, and sound engineering. Janeson is dedicated to advancing Kenya's creative economy by connecting business and art. Most of our students are able to generate, evaluate, and select creative ideas and solutions relevant to the community at large. Above everything, we introduce our students to networks that will need to succeed in the industry. If you envision a world fueled by creative ideas, join us today at Janeson and let us help you unleash your artistic potential. We'll help you create a career doing what you love. For more information, contact us on 0714 444 045 or you can email us at services@janeson.co.ke.